Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you ever feel like you're destined for dry, rubbery chicken breast? It's a common frustration in kitchens everywhere, but the real secret to consistently moist and tender chicken is actually quite simple. Stop overcooking it. In this video, we'll guide you through a few straightforward techniques that will transform your chicken, ensuring it's juicy and flavorful every single time you cook. Get ready to say goodbye to dry chicken forever. Our first game-changing tip for incredible chicken is brining. Brining, essentially soaking your chicken in a saltwater solution, works wonders by helping the meat absorb and retain moisture, making it much harder to dry out during cooking. It also subtly seasons the chicken from the inside out. Just a quick 20 to 30-minute brine can make a truly remarkable difference in both the juiciness and flavor of your finished dish, setting you up for success. Once your chicken is prepped, let's talk about the perfect pan-searing technique for that golden crust and tender interior. Start by searing your chicken breast in a hot pan with a little oil for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it's beautifully golden brown. This initial high heat creates a fantastic crust. Then, lower the heat significantly and finish cooking gently, allowing the internal temperature to rise slowly and evenly without drying out the edges. This next step is often overlooked, but it's absolutely crucial: resting your chicken. Once your chicken breast is cooked, and it should register 165 degrees Fahrenheit on a meat thermometer, transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, rather than running out when you slice it. It guarantees every bite stays succulent and flavorful. Now that you've mastered moist chicken, let's talk about enhancing those flavors. Fresh herbs like parsley or thyme, a squeeze of bright lemon, or a dash of savory garlic all complement chicken beautifully. You can even create a quick pan sauce with the drippings for an extra layer of taste. Remember our key steps: a short brine for moisture, a hot sear followed by gentle cooking, and crucial resting. Follow these, and you'll enjoy incredibly juicy chicken every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.